Our soundscapes are much more like listening to a forest than ambient or classical music. This is because regular music is often too emotionally engaging, structured to create tension, and is mentally stimulating, which is not always conducive to sleep. Each of our soundscapes contains various sounds which are randomly selected and then composed with our generative music sound engine. This means the soundscapes are always different and continuously changing. Initially, you will just hear the ambient sounds, such as rain or jungle, and sound effects, such as bells, rattles, and chimes. The remaining instrument tracks will gradually come in over the next couple of minutes. These include melodic instruments, such as guitar, pan flute, and piano, and percussion or drum instruments, such as tambourine, djembe, and shakers. In the playback screen, you can disable any of these tracks if you find them to be too distracting. For example, you can remove sound effects if you don't like bells and clangs. If you find sounds that you particularly enjoy or associate with relaxation or sleep, you can add them to the custom theme in the DIY Builder.